These POV roller coaster videos are going absolutely viral right now. This Instagram page got over 40,000 followers and some of his videos got thousands of views. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create videos like these for free. Here is what I made in less than 2 minutes.
Blowing. This is unreal. Watch out, asteroid. We're going in. Almost clipped that one.
First go to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. And search for viral roller coaster POV videos. Click on Start the Generator. ChatGPT will automatically give you 10 video ideas. You just pick the number of the idea you like the most. For example, I am going to pick number 1. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate image and video prompts. You just need to copy the prompts. First, I am going to copy the image prompt, then head over to this website. By the way, if you want to know how to use this website, please go and watch this video. The link will be in the description below. On this site, paste the prompt and click Generate and wait for a few seconds. And then boom. The images are ready and they look fantastic. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Go back to Flow AI and select the number of videos you want, then choose the image you like the most that you want it to turn into a video. Paste the prompt and wait for a few seconds. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's take a look.
All right, here we go. Whoa, look at that. Mind-blowing. This is unreal.
Wow, amazing. If you want to know how to make more viral videos, please subscribe.